Tired of tangled cords and slow charging? The INIU Wireless Charger is here to revolutionize your charging experience. This sleek and stylish charger offers fast and efficient wireless charging for a wide range of smartphones, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, and Google Pixels. Say goodbye to the hassle of plugging and unplugging your phone and hello to effortless, convenient charging. The INIU Wireless Charger boasts impressive charging speeds thanks to its 15W fast charging technology. This means you'll spend less time waiting and more time doing what you love. With its advanced air-field technology, you can expect a significant reduction in charging time, saving you up to 45 minutes compared to traditional wireless chargers. One of the standout features of the INIU Charger is its innovative sleep-friendly adaptive light. This intelligent light automatically adjusts its brightness depending on the ambient lighting conditions. It shines brightly during the day and dims significantly at night, ensuring you're not disturbed by any intrusive light while you sleep. The INIU Wireless Charger is not only fast and convenient, but also safe for your device. It incorporates advanced safety features like NTC Temp Guard, which monitors and regulates the temperature to prevent overheating and protect your phone's battery. With its dual-coil design, you can charge your phone both horizontally and vertically, making it perfect for watching videos or making video calls. The INIU Wireless Charger is a game-changer for anyone looking for a fast, efficient, and safe wireless charging solution. Its sleek design, advanced features, and industry-leading 3-year warranty make it a top choice for discerning smartphone users. Click the link in the description below to learn more and grab yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. What are your thoughts on the INIU Wireless Charger? Let me know in the comments.